So hi everyone, I have this fabulous villa to show you today. It is a Neptune Deluxe. We are on Sector D and this is a corner plot, so it's a good size plot as well. We have a pedestrian gate and off-road parking for at least 2 cars. So let me take you around the garden first and then into the beautiful home. So just here we have a fabulous pool. We also have the shower there under the trees to give you some shade. Absolutely fabulous. And just around here you have an area for outside dining, watching the footy, a barbecue and a bar, you know. So this is like an outside kitchen. You've got your fridge, your barbecue, an oven and your sink, your wine rack. Really lovely. Nice area to lounge in and enjoy, and that's the property that I'm showing you today. It's also got a garage. So let's go into this lovely home. Now just before we go in, I just want to show you there is an outside toilet, which is really handy. So if I come in here really quickly and pan around, you have got a sink and pedestal and you've got a WC. It's nicely tiled, all fully tiled as well. Great place to put your beach towels and your umbrellas. So let's go back outside. Let's go frosted glass window as well. You also have some more storage just in there. You have a few steps down and then a few steps up to the terrace. This is a lovely area if you just want to sit and look over the pool and have some outside dining in the shade. Just above you got that lovely chandelier as well, and the curtains all around if you want to put them down to shade you from any breeze. So let's go inside. So in here is a beautiful home. Let's have a look around. The wrecker is netted in 6 screens. And just behind the door here, just behind the door, you have an overhead storage and a double wardrobe. And you have this fabulous wine rack there as well. Now just pan around. As you can see, just under the curtains there, you have radiators. You'll also have aircon. So you have aircon and radiators in this house, and you have a log burner. So you have 2 forms of keeping the house warm, through the radiators, through the log burner, and of course I should have said through the aircon, because it's dual aircon. And 2 forms of keeping it cool from the aircon and this ceiling fan as well. So it's a nice large living room. I'm going to take you through the archway. I'm going to have a look at the bedrooms. I'm going to take you through to the master bedroom now. And in this bedroom you have a beautiful colourful light that changes. You also have your radiators under the window, wreckers and blackout blinds, insect screens on the windows, and you have aircon. Just want to pan around just to give you a good feel of the room. Here you've got a TV at the end of your bed. Now I'm going to walk through that other archway there, and this other archway here just brings you into the ensuite. Now just before that you have got a double wardrobe here and a single wardrobe just there. Now in the ensuite you have a bath with the shower attachment, a clear screen shower screen. You've got your WC, bidet, radiator and your sink and pedestal. if I just come down here and pan around, you've also got your frosted glass window. It's all fully tiled, and you've got a window with lights, a mirror with lights, sorry about that, and you have an overhead heater. So let's go through. Now just in here is another shower room. So these Neptunes have 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So in here you have your shower cubicle, you have your sink and pedestal and your WC. You have a radiator under there as well, under the tiles, and a frosted glass window. Just in here, now this is a 2nd bedroom, but it's been utilised for other things. You have aircon in here. You have a radiator behind the desk as well. Alright, it's quite a substantial and big room as well. Okay. You have a radiator out here in the hallway. And just through here, we're back into your living space. So I'm going to come up here and we're going to go up the stairs up to the top box. I see you at the top, guys. As you can see, there's a frosted glass window above and a handrail up these beautiful marble staircase. So I'm at the top of the stairs, guys, and in this double bedroom you have his and her wardrobes. You have aircon, a TV, you have patio doors out onto the terrace. It's a lovely big room. And through there is your radiator and your ensuite. So let's go in and have a look at the ensuite. So in here you have a sink and pedestal, WC bidet, you have a shower cubicle as well as a bath with the shower attachment. Both have clear screen shower screens on. So nice and big. Nice double window there with the radiator as well. Your spotlights above, and you have an overhead heater over the door. That's if you didn't want to put the central heating on, you know. So let's go outside here. We're just out here on the terrace. It's a beautiful sun terrace with beautiful views all round. So let's go back downstairs again now. Now I've just come back downstairs and you have your living area just here with a radiator, insect screens on the windows, records and blackout blinds. And that goes off this galley kitchen. Now this galley kitchen is lovely. It's got black granite worktop on either side of the kitchen with sink and drainer. You got your dishwasher, your washing machine, plenty of base and top units, fridge, freezer, electric hob and electric oven, and your back door obviously out into the garden then. Just come around here and turn now round so you can see this is off your dining area. So let's go out everyone and let's take a walk around the property. So I've come over to the garage just to show you that there is room for 2 cars in here, and obviously that's your pool area. I'm going to walk around the garden now for you. It's established with loads of plants and some trees and shrubs. Really lovely. We just have a nice little walk around the garden. So around here is where you hang your laundry, and you've got a garden shed there. You've got your tank for your central heating. And I'm just going up here now. Have a look up here. So you have an underbuilt here as well. So we have a look in here. We have got a stairway up here, so let's go and explore. I think there is another rooftop terrace above. This door leads into the garage, and it's a back door, which is a great entrance. And I'm just about to go up top of these stairs to the rooftop solarium. Nice private rooftop solarium if you want to concentrate on that suntan. So let's go back down the staircase. So guys, what do you think of this property? It's absolutely lovely. Another lovely property from to let, to sell, to buy. So you have some lovely outside area, bar area and outside dining, separate with a separate sink and toilet next door for the pool area, which is absolutely great. 2 solariums, one off the top box, and that fabulous garage, but there's off-road parking for 2. You could fit 3 cars in this property altogether, and possibly a couple of motorbikes. So if you're interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com. I will leave the reference number and the price in the title of the video. Okay, so just click on that for the reference number. So all the contact details of the agent will be below in the description box, and if you're interested, talk to the guys at To Let, To Sell, To Buy. So until the next time, have a fabulous summer, take care, and I see you all again soon.